Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Karen. Today I want to show you a special DIY bracelet design to help balance your energy. It features 8mm premium silver sheen obsidian beads paired with a natural tektite octagonal bead at the center, creating a minimalist yet powerful design. Silver sheen obsidian is renowned for its silvering sheen and emotional balancing properties. Altai tektite embodies the universe power, offering potent healing and balancing benefits that enhance willpower and spiritual growth. This design harmoniously blends nature and cosmic energy, with the gentle glow of obsidian complementing the raw energy of tektite. It's perfect for both men and women seeking balance and style, adding a unique touch of elegance to any occasions. For this project, I'll use 0.8 mm black elastic cord, the flat one, and open end needle to thread all the beads, and the wrist gauge to measure a 6.5 inches wrist size. Let's take a closer look at the beads. You see the hole of the bead. How many cords would you use? I think the holes are large enough to use 4 cords. Now, let's start making the bracelets. First, prepare the cord. For a 6.5 inches wrist, we will need about 38 inches of the cord. Fold it in half. Fold it again. And that will give you 4 cords. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the needle. Thread the cord onto the needle and start threading the beads. Begin with the silver sheen obsidian. Once you've added the tektite bead, continue with the rest of the obsidian. Measure the wrist size. Perfect. Now remove the needle. You see 2 loops right here. Thread the other end of the cord through these 2 loops and gently slide all the beads to the 2 loops. Now, you will see 2 cords on each side. Tie 2 secure knots. Make sure it's tight enough. Second one. Okay. When cutting the excess cord, leave a small section attached. Cut. See here. Now, tuck it in the bead hole for a very neat finish. There you go. It's a cool bracelet. So now you may be curious about which wrist to wear this bracelet. That's the special part of this design. Thanks to the unique energy balance of the tektite, it works perfectly on each wrist. Wearing it on the left wrist enhances spiritual clarity and healing, making it ideal for moments of self-discovery and relaxation. Wearing it on your right wrist ensures that the powerful energy of silver sheen obsidian is directed outward, boosting confidence, willpower, and action. Isn't it wonderful? And this bracelet will be available in my store, gemandsilver.com, with a 50% discount as my birthday is coming. If you just want a tactile bead added in your jewelry, go to DIYnotion.com for a jewelry supply. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY jewelry tutorials and ideas. See you in the next video. Bye bye.